Hey folks, in this section we will see generators in Python. Generators are the memory efficient way to create sequences in Python. Generators are the functions that produce value one at a time instead of storing everything in memory at once. Instead of using return, you can use yield. When you call a generator, it doesn't run immediately, it returns a generated object that produces value on demand. This is huge when working with large dataset. Instead of creating massive list, generate values as needed. Here is an example. We are writing a method. We are calling that method with some number, let's say 3. What we want is we want to perform the sum of the squares of all numbers starting from 1 to 3. So we have used generator here. In this case, this square up to will take 3 as an input. It will run the while loop first. 1 is less than 3. It will yield for loop will run for the next item. When it does, the cursor or the execution point will come at this line, wherein it will increment first the count by 1, and then it will go and verify if count which is 2 is less than equals to 3, and then it will run this line yield count into 2, which will return 4. Now if we just run it, you'll see we get 14. 1 will come here. We can similarly give 10. So here's how it works. When you iterate through a generator, it runs the function until it hits yield. It gives you the value and then pauses. In next iteration, it resumes from where it left off. Generators are perfect example for reading large files line by line, creating infinite sequences or expensive computations where you only need some results. Try it yourself and let me know in comments.